Today I'm going to show you how to create a hashtag feed in Spotlight. Hi everyone, I'm Didi and today I'm going to show you how to create a hashtag feed in Spotlight. Now first things first, log into your dashboard and head over to the Spotlight plugin. Then head over to create a new feed. Click on it and you'll be presented with 6 options. Click on the hashtag feed option to begin the process. When I click on next step, it takes me to the template gallery. Here you can select any templates that you like. For this tutorial, I'll be going with the Squircle grid for my feed. Click on next step and go ahead and connect and customize your feed. If you haven't connected your Instagram account at this point, you can go ahead and do so with the Connect Instagram account. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use one that I've already connected. Almost immediately, you can see a preview of your feed appear right here in the dashboard. Now, to create the hashtag feed, you want to go to show public posts with these hashtags and add the hashtags that you want to pop up in your feed. For this, I'm adding gym and fitness as the hashtags that I want. And you can see as my feed is updated almost immediately. Once you're done adding as many hashtags as you want, that's it. You can go ahead and save your feed or embed it on your website. Here's an example of what my feed looks like embedded on the front end of my website. Remember, you can always go back to tweak your hashtags as necessary, as long as you're doing what works for your social media strategy. For more tutorials like this, please check out Spotlight's YouTube page. Thank you for watching.